to stay somewhere in center. Can dash help us? Carlos.
Then, dear Carlos.
Dear Carlos, hotels in the center dash expensive. But I have good news. I dash spoken to my aunt Gloria about you and she says you can all stay at dash house. It dash more bedrooms than my house. That dash be all right for you. Want it, David?
Yeah, that dash be all right for you, won't it? Dear David, I am going to visit your country, dash month. I am going to travel, dash two friends. We don't know, dash to stay. Or dash any cheap hotels in your town. We dash like to stay somewhere in the center. Can dash help us, Carlos? Dear Carlos, hotels in the center dash expensive, but I have good news. I dash spoken to my aunt Gloria about you, and she says you can all stay at the dash house. It dash more bedrooms than my house. That dash be all right for you, won't it?
41 with sir.
Will I try that? I am going to visit your country next month. Look at that. Next month. The answer is given.
41 with.
Superb. I am going to travel with two friends. Superb. Write it down. Then read it out.
We don't know how to stay.
Are you sure? Where to stay?
Where?
Yes.
Where to stay? Are there any cheap hotels?
Yes, very nice. Are there any cheap hotels in your town? There. Superb answer. Are there any cheap hotels in your town? Superb. Then.
We have to like.
Careful.
We have like to stay.
What is going to be 44? What is going to be 44?
Have?
No.
Had.
Have and like will not come. Had and like will not come. Vinay, try that. Like is coming. You know it. You have read it a lot. We would like to. We would like to. Would.
We would like.
Read it out.
We would like to stay somewhere in the center.
Yeah.
Can you help us? Can you help us?
Can you help us? Very good. Can you help us, Carlos? Now, to Carlos Davis is writing. Dear Carlos.
Dear college. Hotels in the center. High expensive.
No. Hotels in the center.
The expensive.
Verb. You need to go with the verb. Are expensive. Hotels in the center are expensive. Hotels are. Are. Keep going. Keep going. But I have. Hotel in the center are expensive, but I have good news.
I have spoken to my aunt.
Yeah, 47. What is going to be 47?
Have.
Superb.
I have to spoken. I have spoken to my aunt Gloria about you, and she says you can all stay at my house.
At her house. Very good. At her house. Superb. 49.
It has more bedrooms.
It has more bedrooms than my house. Superb.
It has more bedrooms than my house. That would be all right for you.
Then now can you repeat that? Number 50.
That would be all right for you.
That will be all right. Look at that. That will be all right for you, won't it? Won't it? Won't it means will it?
Won't it?
So that will be all right. That's a tag one. That will be all right for you. Now, Vinay, read the whole thing, Vinay, with answers. Dear David,
Okay, sir. Dear David, I am going to visit your country.
next month,
Next month, I am going to travel.
what happened? Where
I am going.
you have to
I
write.
am going to travel with two friends.
Super.
We don't know where to stay. Are there any cheap hotels in your town? We would like to stay somewhere in the center. Can you help us?
Super.
Dear Carlos, hotels in the center are expensive, but I have good news. I have spoken to my aunt Gloria about you and she says you can all stay
You can
at
say
house.
at their house, yeah.
A house. It has more bedrooms than my house. That will be ri- that will be all right for you. Want it?
That's all. Now write it down. Take 2, 3 minutes, write it down. We will complete it. Because
Okay,
you
sir.
have to now take a picture and send me the WhatsApp right now to this number.
Okay.
First, write it down. First, I'll give you 2 minutes here. Write it down.
Okay, sir.
I know it's a little bit hard. Once you practice it, it is going to be easy now.
We are starting stage, sir. That's why
Yeah, but you did well after that. First one only it was hard for you. After that, you started doing well. But you have to read, you have to write, you have to listen, you have to speak.
Completed, sir.
Yeah, can you do one thing? Can you do a WhatsApp? Can you take a picture of it, what you have written, and do the WhatsApp? You know the number, right? You know my number, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do it. I can leave you 5 minutes early, but you have done a good job. You started slowly, but you are able to come back with it. Okay. And next class we will do a special speaking exercise. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can send it across to me. I'll see you in the next class.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.